Hey, welcome to this video. My name is Edward Richards and I'm coming to you from beautiful Jamaica. I'm certain that you're here because you are curious about what this business is and you want to make money online. I'm here to tell you, to give you a brief overview. This business works. You can make instant commission, plus you can make high ticket commission. What you have to do is just follow the steps. My name is Edward Richards, as I told you before. I'm living in Jamaica. I'm married with two beautiful girls. I've been online for more than 15 years now, and I can tell you that this system is probably the best one I've seen in all my years online. In the button below, if you click it, it's green. It will take you to this screen. When you come to this screen, it says you just click here, you create a free account. You fill in your name, first, last name, your email address, and your phone number. And then you click here to create your free account. In the back office, in your on left hand corner, you will find all my contact details. So what you can do, just hit me up if you need any help or if you need an assistance or you just want to chat. Hit me up. I'm here. What I want to do is just help you to succeed. All right. So welcome once again to the 2K profit system and see you on the inside.